Hey guys, Jeff Behrens here with the Checkered Garage. In the Project 57 Studebaker that I'm building, I decided to go with an EPAS, electric power steering unit, which is a under dash mounted setup that you put into your steering column. It uses a DC electric motor to assist with the steering, like a lot of new cars do, you know, so it's pretty common technology nowadays, but in the old stuff it's not quite so simple. So when I set the car up, I had a power steering rack in it from Detroit Speed. And I need to basically take this whole thing apart and take the piston and the seals so you get rid of all that drag on the rack so it turns as easy as it can, because now the EPAS system is going to be doing all the power assist. So right now we're just going to tear into it. We're going to take off the tie rods, pull the lines off it, and pull the steering gear out of it basically, and take the whole rack apart here. And we're going to do kind of a little time-lapse video to show how it goes. Wish me luck. There. Okay. Wow. What a fucking pain in the ass that was. One of those fucking home remodeling shows. There, 5 minutes later we got the rack apart. We're good. All right, guys. Well, after a little bit of cussing, a little bit of drinking, we got the rack and pinion out of this powered rack. Like I mentioned earlier, the main gist of this thing was to get the piston and stuff knocked off this thing and the seals and everything, so the electric power steering unit can take over duties on doing that. It makes the rack flow a lot smoother without that piston pushing back and forth. Your power steering lines can come off. It's going to clean the rack up once I put different fittings in here and plug them off, repaint the whole thing. So it should be a lot cleaner setup when it's all done. It's definitely a little bit of farting around, I'll say, just so you know.